part of this machine. I'm an expert sewer. This is going to help me quite a bit, but I don't want to use these automated stitch lengths, like 5 stitches in one direction, 3 in another, 2 in another, and you know, it lets you pivot and do those, but it does it as an automatic progression because you're sewing 783 mop heads for Rubbermaid or something. I never do that. All of my work is custom, and these configurations that you see here, these are good for custom work. So now, let's demonstrate that. As you can see, there's very little, hardly any thread coming out. I'm going to take a couple of pieces of canvas. I'm going to rock my foot back just a little bit. Oh, look, it lifts up the foot. Put my foot in, put the fabric in. I didn't really have to do that, but I did. And I'm going to sew. A few stitches. There's my backup lever right there. Can you imagine? I mean, there's a backup lever here too if I want to use it, which I didn't have on my 111W, so I got that here. But this is right there. They call it a knuckle switch. So you can have your fabric on the work, and you can still switch the, there's a LED, so I get an extra light. So, bang. That's just a big, big deal to be able to, that's one of the best features in this machine. So you can go forward, you can go back, and lock the stitch, and go forward. When I stop, the needle will be down. It'll always be down. I've got it set to always go down. I rock my foot a little bit. I can twist it. I can turn it. Then I finish sewing until I get to the end of my line. Lock the stitch. Lock it 3 times. Oh, I didn't go as many times as I wanted to. There's an extra half a stitch. See that with the button that I showed you where I can do that. And now I rock my foot all the way back, and it cuts it off. And there's the thread. And now when I pick up to sew again, guess what I don't have to do? I don't have to grab or hold that thread because this gadget holds the thread. So here I go. Done.